Have you ever wondered why a juice box's size is described in milliliters, but a wooden block's is in cubic centimeters? They both measure space, right? While volume and capacity sound similar, they tell different stories. Volume is the space an object takes up, like that block on your desk. Capacity is how much a container can hold, like the juice in the box. But here's where it gets cool. The metric system built a perfect bridge between them. 1 cubic centimeter, a tiny cube, 1 centimeter on each side, is designed to hold exactly 1 milliliter of liquid. That's the rule. 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. This simple connection is incredibly powerful. It means you can figure out a container's capacity just with a ruler. Take a lunchbox that's 20 centimeters long, 10 wide, and 5 deep. Multiply them. 20 times 10 times 5 is 1,000 cubic centimeters. And because of our magic link, you instantly know it can hold exactly 1,000 milliliters of soup. That's a whole liter. But what about a lumpy rock you can't measure? This is where it gets clever. Fill a measuring jug to 300 milliliters. Gently drop the rock in. The water level rises to, say, 312 milliliters. That 12 milliliter difference is the space the rock took up, which means the rock's volume is exactly 12 cubic centimeters. So volume and capacity aren't just math terms. They are the language of 3D space, from the solid block to the empty bottle. And thanks to that elegant one-to-one link, we can translate between the world of solids and liquids effortlessly, measuring the space of anything, from a fish tank to a single stone.